tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah.
Good morning. We are out and about, heading somewhere festive, somewhere nice. You'll see when we get there. This is my lovely friend, and today we're going on an adventure. So, see you guys. We are waiting for food. Plan is what the American chicken sandwich tastes good. So we are here at the beach. Over here crowded, but we can make it work. We went to get something to eat and then went to the ATM. And now we are here. And it's pretty chill. We feel like over the other side too crowded. So we take a spot here under one palm tree. So yeah. We'll just take that little spot here. Right next to the lifeguard. My friend went to the bathroom, so I'm just here by myself. People play volleyball and so on. They would go on boat tour. We wanted to get cabana, but 5,000. Plus, we're not go there for the whole day, and for rent a cabana for $5,000. Not at all. I don't think so. So you guys can check out the scenery, see what's going on. There's a birthday party going on in front of me. Yeah, this is how it's set up, guys. Yes, see the cabana they wear. $5,000. I don't think that worth it. Right now, man, jump off into the water. Would take a swim and reach on the boat there? Yeah, but I'm scared I go. Just to take her a little time. She can't even walk on the sun. Exactly, I feel like me I sing. Like a sinking sun.
Tough sand. Tough like rain.
You guys want to play volleyball? Volleyball. Oh, me thirsty. Oh, we not have nothing to drink. She's back from her adventure.
Say, but I just right there, so I don't nothing for just run, come out, and then just tumble over and drop down. Guess what? The sand. The
Yeah.
sand jar on your foot in it. When we realize yeah, that, and then the way about angle you then the sand jar you stable and it's easy to jar you in. I mean,
And
say,
worse,
me
no,
used to
but
see,
and then worse when you can't manage your weight.
all of them no fat can.
No, not necessarily fat, but you know, say you have slim people who can't manage their weight. Like they might tumble down, they
They
might
know
drop.
I'm weak.
Yeah.
I mean, I always cuss when I see them video. I'm say, look how clear right
You
just
see,
so
you see
different
video
up
with
man.
when video with him when man the voice over like would I say Amanda,
Yeah,
somebody
yeah,
save
yeah,
Amanda.
yeah.
Oh my God, Amanda's drowning. No, somebody get my
Get
wife, get my wife.
I want to go out with two lover. Then that then they out there so. And she had pulled the man to more to the sea. I pulled the man more to the sea. And the man was like, no, like you say, he
Oh,
hesitant.
me
And
see
the
that
man
video
go
there
back.
now.
And she
But
go
the water
and
did carry her away.
just jog her and carry her. I know say, she probably not get saved.
You don't think they find her? You don't think so?
Let me find out okay, what I push her back up. But I mean,
Yeah,
I
but she
say,
can't see me. Obviously, she can't see me.
no, me I say that time I want to kill her. That, but me say body, you want to push up back the body. Just I realize there is sand.
Phew.
For me. So when me go in that bathroom, I said, "Chum enough, but I put on this over it." But when me look around, me figure it out. I said, "No, sir." Oh, see, glass what they were then take picture now. You see how much I'm a charge now? Hey, they price here down ya?
If
You know, they sign your door. I fish it out them.
I lie.
Um,
No, sir.
yes,
That can't real.
then pick it up from under the sea. It's a specific fish we do it too. Tells them the sun went in there, them consume it and then carry it back out. So when they carry it back out, it grind up. Like when
So I reach it.
when they take it in, it never in this form. A grind up.
So I reach it. So.
Because the water go push it, I go constantly push the skin out. Once you have it set like
Soon. Okay. I promise myself I'm not going to find out and it's making a suicide. Not saying that I wouldn't do it if I felt, like me feel like, yeah, adventurous today. But I always make a promise to myself that I don't want to go on a boat and I can't swim. Because if anything happen, why? Me no know how would I make it out of that one day. Me have to, if I even feel know if I float or something. So if anything happen, God forbid, me can't help myself. But if me can't help myself, no, what got and everybody lucky. So people save them. So, not saying you can't enjoy yourself. But me personally, me not take certain risks. Can't see me? Me not make your water pass my waist. Me not going on no boat. Me not go on no cruise. That's okay.
Love like a mountain that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. There in my house, the ways of your past don't define you. Formed from the dust of this earth, true purpose was birthed. There is no promise that can be undone. I loved you that much that I deemed you worthy to receive my son. You saved me from the ways of this world, where Messiah reigns, everlasting love dwells. The one who is and will always remain. The wonders of Christ I still fail to explain. Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry.
So, just relaxing. Sun is getting very hot now. I thought it was going to rain, but it didn't. So, it's getting really hot right now. So, I'm just laying down. Relaxing. I feel like I want something to drink, like some juice or something. Some juice or something. Or some, like a fruit smoothie or something. We're supposed to be going to dinner after this, I should think. Let's see what else we do for the day. And they're doing a photo shoot. Um, you know the glass bottle when you take the photos in. Yeah, the photo shoot.
Girl, you don't afraid of the back by your glasses.
No, I mean, no, say that. What am I doing?
I picture them and take a video.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we not hiding, 'cause that's just the way we are.
Me, it's over there already.
One, try most I place over here. What did you eat first? Did you eat pork review?